Hello, Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2026 candidates. Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hi guys, my name is Ivan. I'm from Batangas.
Hello, everyone. My name is Justin Taiga Versosa Navarro, representing the Filipino community of USA.
Good day, everyone. I'm Ernest Agustin Lucila from the province of Sorsogon.
All right. Congratulations for becoming the official candidates for Mr. Friendship International Philippines 2026. How does it feel?
Yeah, actually for me, it's great. Nandito na ulit tayo. Actually, pang two times ko ng national to. And I feel so great pa rin kasi isa ako sa napili at na-appoint ng Batangas para lumaban sa nationals.
Same for me, Dinpo. This has been 10 years in the makings, and I'm finally here, being able to be on the national stage of the Philippines. So it's very fulfilling for me, and I'm trying to do my best.
There you go. I am really happy and grateful na nakabalik na ako sa national stage. And this is actually my third national pageant. And yun, see you soon.
Yeah, welcome back sa mga nagbabalik sa national pageant. Anong sigurong lesson yung galing nakuha niyo from your nationals previously na dadala niyo dito kay Mr. Friendship?
Nung last pageant ko kasi, it's too many ng candidates. And talagang sagupaan kami noon. Talagang digmaan kung digmaan talaga. And doon ko na-feel yung talagang competitiveness namin. And sa ngayon, mas natutunan ko maging disiplinado and maging mas maaga. And hindi lang naman tayo nasa pageant industry para lang mag-compete. Also, we build brotherhood. And yun yung, doon ako magfo-focus ngayon kasi friendship means brotherhood for me.
This is my first national, but I did prepare previously for another national to US. So, but as the famous quote goes, you get redirected, diba? So for me, it's been very humbling, but I'm very happy to be here in the Philippines. I have a brotherhood here, and I feel like I'm really back home. So it's been fulfilling for me, and I'm just really excited for the experience.
Ako naman natutunan ko na mas maging humble, tsaka mas maging grateful kasi yung second national pageant ko kasi doon ako nagkaroon ng crown. So ngayon sa pagbabalik ko, dala ko yung lessons na yun, yung disiplina din, no? Ganun din. Tapos yung ibang preparations kasi syempre hindi biro ang national pageant. Kaya I just want to thank din my supporters. Thank you.
Right. I am seeing your batch kanina, all the 25 candidates. Very diverse and malalakas talaga yung batch na to. Anong nararamdaman nyo na part kayo ng napakalakas na batch na Mr. Friendship International Philippines so far?
Yeah, actually, for now talaga, sumabog talaga yung Mr. Friendship International Philippines. Ngayon talaga siya sumikat. Actually, sumikat siya 2025. Doon
Yes.
talaga siya nag-boom. And then 2026 is mas inaabangan na siya. And for me, na malalakas din yung kalaban. I'm so very excited kasi medyo challengeful. As in, na-challenge ako and I love challenges.
Same thing for me. I like to call this the Puksaan edition because there's a lot of veterans, and especially for me to be a newcomer, I'm trying my best to keep up. But it's also fulfilling in that way that you have brothers that are very competitive because it only wants to make you better. So I'm really thankful for this experience.
Yeah, parang nasabi na nila lahat. Pero ako naman, I just want to gain another experience din. Tapos sa Puksaan edition nga, mas nililook forward ko din yung ibang level of of challenge. And at the same time, inaabangan ko din yung iba pang segments na madadagdag sa edition namin. Thank you.
Siguro, I guess talaga dahil tatlo yung corona ang in-announce kanina. Grabe. Kasi the previous edition sila, isa lang ang corona. Ngayon, tatlo. So, um, dito, does it add more, siguro, confidence to you? Kasi nga, tatlo yung corona for this year.
For me, mas maganda yun kasi mas maraming chance ng winner. And mas maraming, siguro mas magsisipag kami. Kasi hindi lang naman naglalaban-laban sa isang corona, kundi may two choice pa na corona. And for me, as mas okay po yun. For me, kasi more chance to win.
And Justin, can you invite them sa mga susunod na events sa preliminary events ng Mr. Friendship International Philippines?
Yes, po. So on August 8th will be our preliminary show sa Laguna. What time is it, guys? 7. 7.
August 7.
August 7.
August
August
7.
7 yung
7
prelims.
Friday?
Yes. And then the finals will be Sunday, August 9th at 6 p.m. at Quezon Diliman Matrix Creation Events po.
And can you invite them naman for the Sis Protect voting?
Yes, everyone. This week, magkakaroon tayo ng times 4, times 3, and times 2. So, abangan nyo na lang po, please. And please vote for your candidate. There you go.
All right. Thank you so much, our Mr. Friendship International.
Thank you.
Thank you. 2026 candidates from the Filipino community of the USA, Batangas, and Sorsogon. And see you on August 9 for the finals.
Guys,
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.